Let's go. Yeah.
All right, hey guys,
I'm like an addict.
Scott here with Luxury Car Care. So this should be part of a larger video that I'm doing, or a video series. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna plop this video in the middle of. But anyway, I thought I'd give you a quick walk around. I'm at the shop. I'm at the front door here. So this is where you enter. And you can see demo is hot and heavy right now. I'm in the middle of it. Pretty much all the electrical's been taken down. The plumbing's been removed. HVAC removed their lines. Obviously all the flooring's gone. There's a couple walls that are left that'll come out tomorrow. It's now Sunday, May 21st. And so they're actually moving pretty quick. They're about a week and a half in. No, they're a week in on demo. And they've gotten it. I mean, if you go back to the previous videos, I've done a walk around in the shop. You can see where it was and where it is now. So the ceiling's been all raised up. For the most part, that's going to stay, elevated here in the lobby. There'll be a wall. Some of it will be covered up, and then the back will all be open, and it'll all be painted and finished. So you can kind of see what it looks like. But let me just walk you around. So you walk in the front door, lobby area, couch, TV, front of shop with a counter. My office is going to be right here. Big glass walls, glass doors on the front and the back that lead back to the detail bay, water closet here, and then a hallway on this side that runs back. All these orange lines are the cutouts for all the concrete you'll see as I walk back. You can see the electric. Apparently this electrical panel, they're stripping everything. They're starting from scratch. This whole panel will be full. And then there's another panel that's getting installed in my security. I have a security closet that's going to go in next to my office in the back that you'll end up seeing. And in there, they're adding another, this is a 200 amp service. They're adding another 100 amp service in there to help manage the rest of the shop, because I'm going to fill that one up. So office here. This will, so kind of starting from right here, this is all going to be clean room. So, and then the hallway comes back, and then this is all opened up. Let me see if I can zoom out here for you. No, there we go. Hold on. Sorry. Let me zoom out. So there we go. So this is all clean room. Sorry, I don't have my gimbal with me, so it's a little shaky. And that clean room keeps going back all the way to here. And I've walked you through this before, right? So huge clean room. So I'm consuming a lot of the finished space, old lobby to be clean room. Employee room will still be in there. A lot of this gets painted. This wall from here back goes away, and all this gets opened up. You can see all this concrete gets cut for all new plumbing. They haven't finished it yet, but basically this whole big space gets cut out for a floor drain, which will get connected into here, and then detailing bay over there. So, making good progress. I think they'll be cutting concrete this week, likely. Plumbing needs to be run, and then pour the new concrete. And then at that point, they can start rebuilding things. So that's where we're at. I'm loving it. I think it's going to move fast. Right now, the time frame, the contractor's committed August to have everything complete. It's going to be amazing. It's going to look so good. The design, we're not holding any punches back on the design. Anyway, I'll talk in the videos somewhere. Either I've already talked about it or I will talk about it. Not only just the layout, and you'll see the design, I'll take you through the blueprints, but also I'll take you through the budget and the cost and what this 4,400 square foot shop renovation is costing me, which is pretty ridiculous, but it's my dream. It's what been wanting to do forever, so I'm going all for it. So I'm gonna hand you back over here to the other video. All right, thanks guys. All right. Fast forward, you should have just watched, I believe, a short video with me walking through the garage, kind of 2/3 the way or so through demolition. Demolition is now complete. So fast forward maybe 3 weeks. It's now Sunday morning, actually Father's Day, Sunday morning. So my stepdaughter is on vacation with her dad, and my wife is traveling for work. So I got to wash my car this morning and clean it up nice. And then I'm now here at the shop and running some errands. So I thought I'd do a quick closeout video on the status of where we're at with the luxury car care new detailing studio. So you can see I'm at the front door here, right? So you walk in. You can see this will be the new office. So this big opening here is going to be basically a 9-foot glass door with a 5-foot side light. So 3-foot door, 5-foot side light, total 8-foot opening, 9-foot tall. Up top here, that all gets walled because then that's going to be a mechanical platform that you enter from the back, and all my HVAC and stuff, or some of the HVAC, water heater and stuff, will be up there. The front of office, front of business counter goes right here. There's going to be a display shelf here with products for sale. Obviously, you got all my electric and stuff. You can see they stripped all the electric out and reran everything. So super clean. All of this you can see they put new joists in, so all that all gets walled. This got stripped down to put some blocking in, new lights, electrical. This will be the sitting area for my clients. So TV, you can see the outlet and the AV line there. Table, couch, couple chairs, coffee bar, under counter fridge with waters and sodas for clients and then a coffee maker, tapped coffee maker on top for my clients. And then this will be a wall, huge luxury car care, 3D backlit metal stainless steel sign painted with my colors. This whole wall, basically everything, all the wall here, instead of drywall, it's going to actually be metal board and batten siding, black, matte black. Again, all the floors, I think I talked a little bit about this, but all the floors will be vinyl, luxury vinyl plank. So kind of work our way back just to give you a status. I think my last video, nothing was saw cut. All the concrete was intact. They had just torn down most of the walls. Well, obviously, all of the demo's done. They've saw cut. The plumbers are now in. So we started beginning of May. We're right now middle of June. So we're 6 weeks in. Demo's complete. And they're now basically putting stuff back together. So they're starting to build walls. They can't build all the walls until the plumbers are done, because then they have to come in, backfill, re-pour concrete, and then they can build the walls. So you can see like this. So as we walk over here, this will be, sorry, I'm cutting my face off here, but it's tough to hold this phone. This will be the hallway. So you have a hallway back to about here. You can see where where this hits right here. And then that'll be another 9-foot glass door with a small side light that'll enter into the back. All this plumbing is for my customer bathroom. So the door will be, come in here, the door will be right here, toilet. There's a drain in the floor, and then sink over here, so toilet. You always try to put your toilet away, so when you look into the bathroom, you don't see the toilet, so it's around the left. So see if I can keep walking back here without breaking an ankle. And the main drain for this building is actually, it runs, the building runs this way, so the drain runs along here. So you can see this is where they tapped in, and you can see they're down a good 4 to 5 feet. That's the main drain for the building. I think that's a clean out there. And then they're tapped in. So all this is piped. Basically, the whole front of the building is now piped in the floor. And then another thing that I want to show you is you can see the back side of my office has another 9-foot, 8-foot wide glass door. So when you walk into that front door, and now I'm standing in the new clean room, you're going to be able to see straight back through my office, through the back of the office, right into the clean room, and you're going to be able to see cars that we're working on being PPF, being tint, and so forth, just sitting there, and it's going to look amazing. So let me keep going back here. So this is old piping, so all that has to get cut out, and then they'll just tap it and pour concrete right over top of it. Same with that, that's old. You can see this has all been rerun, all rerun, and they started backfilling a little bit. There you can see the pipe is there. That's where they stopped. And obviously this is where they tap in for the new in-ground drain and grease trap to do all my indoor washing. And then this extends over. This is the employee room. So employee break room, employee bathroom goes in that back corner. And then all my mechanicals, see they literally have a backhoe in here digging everything out. All my mechanicals, pressure washers, there's a drain in the floor, all my chemicals, the compressed air, vacuum systems all go in a wall back there, which hasn't been built yet. And then there's a second HVAC system that goes into the ceiling above here. This is a 9-foot drop ceiling for the employees. And then this HVAC system feeds the work areas, where the HVAC system that goes above the office feeds the what I'll call the client areas and the offices. So that's about where we're at. We expect the drain system and the grease trap is scheduled for this week to be delivered. So I expect them, fingers crossed, it looks like they'll have the employee area finished plumbing, and then they should be digging this out and installing this towards the end of this coming week. Maybe we get lucky and they even finish it. The plumbers are moving pretty fast. If they finish that, the next step would be to come back in and pour concrete. So that's pretty cool. And then this is the pit for my in-ground car lift, my Nussbaum in-ground car lift. So you can see they kind of got conduit run. That's going to be the conduit. They haven't finished it yet, but that'll be a conduit. The hydraulic lines run through, because then on this wall will be the controller. That's the door for the mechanical room. This is the second door for the employee room. So again, 9-foot, huge 9-foot glass door with a 3-foot side light. The same for that door. It's not cut out yet, but that also gets a 9-foot door, 3-foot with a 3-foot side light. Or maybe it's a 3-foot door with 2-foot side light. I think it's total 5-foot wide for there and here. And when I'm pointing, I mean this door here. This door goes away. So this door, that's the old door. So that gets walled off. And I have a vacuum reel here, a vacuum reel here. And this is a whole bank of cabinets with uppers and electricity and all my charging and everything. So that'll kind of be the key. I'll have detailing carts over here, but that'll be kind of a key bank of cabinets for, that's central to all the work area. And then there's another thing of cabinets that go over here, because remember, this becomes a wall. From this point straight across is a wall with a huge high bay, high lift garage door to keep the clean room separate from the wash bay and the detailing bay. So we're making good progress. They're moving every day. There's always something getting done. I'm actually pretty happy so far, 6 weeks in. They ran into a little bit of a plumbing permit snag, so that they lost like 2 or 3 days with that, but hopefully they're going to catch that up. So that's where we're at. Hey, I appreciate you watching. I know this isn't for everyone. Hopefully once I'm in the shop, I'll start doing a lot more detailing videos. But I think some of you are interested in kind of seeing what the shop looks like. So So I'm gonna try to get this posted pretty quick, along with, so I did this other video, so this will be kind of an status update with demo and construction. I'm also gonna try to do another video on the budget, what, how much is it costing me, what am I buying, and then detailed breakdown of that, and then maybe another video on all the detailing tools. So the compressor I'm using, the pressure washers I'm using, boom poles, all that good stuff, and kind of how I've designed that. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully the video wasn't too long, but I'll try to crank some of these out. I've been so busy, it's just been tough, but appreciate you watching. Thanks. Like it if you like the video, subscribe, and appreciate you watching Luxury Car Care, and we'll be back again soon. All right, see ya.